Alright, y'all, so I added like almost half a banana. I didn't want to put too much because this bowl will overflow if it's too full. And I can eat the rest of my banana for a snack later. And I just used a pack of this. I like the maple and brown sugar oatmeal. I just get the generic brand. For me, it tastes better than the name brand. And then I added some more water, almost to the rim. And we about to cook it for another, maybe about another almost 3 minutes, 2.5, 3 minutes. I know my hands ashy.